Welcome back, foodies. Today, we have a special treat for you, a mouth-watering chicken club sandwich recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need grilled chicken breast, crispy bacon, fresh lettuce, juicy tomato slices, and your choice of bread. I'm using whole wheat bread today, but feel free to use your favorite. To begin, place a slice of bread on a clean surface. First, add a generous layer of creamy mayonnaise. Next, let's add our fresh lettuce leaves for that extra crunch and vibrant green color. Now it's time for our star ingredient, the grilled chicken breast. Make sure it's tender and flavorful. Let's add some juicy tomato slices for that burst of freshness. And of course, we can't forget the crispy bacon. Finally, top it off with another slice of bread. And there you have it. A gorgeous chicken club sandwich ready to be devoured. That's absolutely delicious. Thanks for joining me today. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Stay hungry, stay happy. See you next time.